Hello guys, good morning. Are we noticing anything different? I got new chashmas. I got this leopard print one which I am obsessed with, and I got another one which is clear. The other one, this is more like cutesy and this is more like corporate chic. The plan for today is that we have to do a lot of college preparation because guys, obviously, yours truly is finally going to college. Obviously, we need to prepare for that. Yesterday, I cleaned out my entire desk space because obviously I'm going to be using it because I'm going to college in Noida. You watched the previous video for the college reveal, and I've got a lot of new stationery because of course I need new stationery for college. Baki sab I've kept in pouches. I've kept it all inside. Of course, I'm not throwing it all away. And some other stuff I've given to my help because unke bacche hain. I also got out all of my 11th and 12th ki kitabein because I need to give them away to a friend of mine. Her younger brother is in 11th in commerce, so he can use all of my books. And finally, I will have space to keep everything else. My entire study area has not been this clean since it was built. Also been doing a lot of shopping, which you guys would have seen in my last video also. I just go watch that because there's also a giveaway in that video. And that giveaway ends this week, and obviously the 3 winners will be randomly selected, so you still have an opportunity to participate. And I also bought a lot of new clothes because I realized that I don't have any basics in my closet that you need on a daily basis.
Sabes que debería estar contigo. Sabes que no creo que te haya gustado. No me importa si lo haces o no. Sabes que you do, you just forgot it all.
So I got a lot of basics also and thought about statement pieces also. Today's plan is that we have to do a lot of planning and preparation. I found a planner which I have not used yet. This is Stationery Pal planner. I got this months ago when they worked with me, and it's a very cute planner. It's super tiny and it's an undated planner. It's you have the monthly setup, daily setup, and I think it's thode empty pages bhi hain. So I think this is going to be really useful for college, and I will be setting it up for the month of July. I'll use all of my new pens, and while I was cleaning up, I found so many stickers from my middle school ke din. I swear to God, when you clean your room, you find so much random stuff and it's so nostalgic. I found itne sare bachpan ki report cards and class photographs from second class, kindergarten. I found birthday letters from my childhood best friend. I found birthday invitation cards. I found cards that I had made for my parents. And oh my God, I have to show this to you guys. I was in middle school, I used to love doing theatre and drama. Hamari annual day mein. But in 8th grade, I played the role of a churel. Pehle I was assigned the role of this sophisticated auntie, but that was a side role. And I remember I was performing wahan pe, we were doing our practice, and the drama teacher was you know, Avashik, I have a better role for you. He was I'll give you the script tomorrow. I got the script tomorrow to play Mohini Churel in an Assamese drama. But I played that role so well that I got an Excellence in Drama award that year for it. So, and guess what I found? I found my script. Avashi Mishra 8C. 8th grade was one of the funnest years of my life. I was the main lead, the main antagonist, and we had to wear a full black veil for the churel get-up. It was too fun. And let me show you guys the stationery that I got. I got all of this stationery from a local stationery dukaan, and I'm already telling you, especially aadhi cheezein are very useless and unrelated to college, but I'm just a stationery lover, so of course I have to get it. Firstly, we have these, what is this? Pastel brush pens. I'm just trying to heal my inner child. I'm gonna use this to make notes. I'm gonna use this to journal. It's gonna be amazing. I got a bunch of these pens. They're basically the Uniball pens, the Mota wala tip. So there's purple, blue, black, red and green, and this I'm obviously going to use to make notes and to journal and to plan. I love these pens so much. They're so nice and smooth. These pens are quite expensive, which is why I've never gotten them pehle, but I was you know what, college is starting, I think I deserve to get it now. Then Flair glitter gel pens. This is taking me back to my bachpan ke din. I was such an artsy kid. The kinds of cards that I made for everybody on their birthdays and anniversaries were so beautiful. I also got color pencils, the classic Faber-Castell 12 color pencils. I got these pastel highlighters from Faber-Castell. They're in these very pretty colors. This so I'm really excited to use. I got some pencils, like regular wale, like these kind of pencils because they just looked pretty. Bunch of sticky notes and page flags because this also helps me a lot when I'm reading. I love to mark stuff, to write my own thoughts into it. I got glue sticks and Fevicol, and I got a correction tape thing, and that is my unnecessary stationery haul. Also, this is not just college season, it's also mid-year. Half of the year is gone by, so all of this is also a little bit of a mid-year reset for me. So I want to do a couple things. I want to make a new wallpaper for my phone and my laptop, which is going to be made like vision board, because the physical vision board I made is literally gathering dust really because I didn't make it properly. But yes, I'm going to make the digital one. Okay, Bruno is here. Hi Bruno, you want to say hi? Yes? Yes? Okay, he's gone. Let's start with keeping all of my new stationery on my desk.
Sabes que debería estar contigo. Sabes que no creo que te haya gustado. No me importa si lo haces o no. Sabes que you just forgot it all. Sabes que yo haciéndome preguntar mis pensamientos. Sabes que yo pienso mucho y no quiero. Sabes que I don't know you don't know me. Sabes que I must just like the mystery. Sabes que no has visto lo mejor de mí. Sabes que.
Okay, so I just set up my new journal, and abhi I have to respond to one email. But we have to go out because we need to do some like document work college के लिए. And of the clothes that I had bought, उसमें मुझे कुछ exchange कराने हैं because the sizes are not correct. Also, I do want to say that you guys are seeing me shopping a lot these days, and I'm doing hauls for you guys. But that in no way means that shopping this much on a regular basis is normal. I do not normally shop this much. You can always buy more stuff. Consumerism is an endless cycle, but you don't need all of this, and in no way should you feel bad if you're not able to buy stuff. ये सब important नहीं है. You can still make your college or school experience fun without fancy stationery supplies and without expensive fancy clothes. Okay, so I just replied to my emails, and now I'm gonna make my wallpapers. I am so excited for this. If you guys know me and have been following me for a while, you know that I am a huge vision boarding fan. Always like to have like nice wallpapers. बहुत time तक my phone wallpaper was a picture of a sunrise that said, "Think less, do more, you are divinely guided." So firstly, we are gonna see what my 2024 like second half of the year goals are, and on the basis of that I'll make mera phone wallpaper and laptop wallpaper. Basically I'll make one like desktop size wallpaper and usko rotate karke I'll make it my phone wallpaper. One goal of mine is that I want to keep posting 2 videos a week at least on YouTube. Number 2 is a health goal. I really want to start working out, and it's not just because I've gained weight and I want to get it off, but it's also because I want to feel healthy. Number 3 is I want to keep up with my habit of reading while I am in college. Over the past few years, every time I started reading, like मेरे winter break में, summer break में, then I would stop reading जब school शुरू हो जाता था, and I would never get back to it, which is what I don't want to do this time. I want to make sure that I'm able to balance my time well. I want to have a good work school life balance. Another goal is that I want to keep my room organized and clean throughout the months while I'm still in college. Like my closet and everything would just end up being a mess during the school year, and I do not want that to happen this time. Now, vision board time. So I make my vision board on Canva always, and I get my pictures from Pinterest, and basically I will go on to Canva. I will go to create new design, and I will select a A4 document And then I just upload all the pictures that I've downloaded from Pinterest and I put them in here and compile it to make it look all pretty and nice. All of the pictures should be stuff that you can see yourself in. Like I said this before, but if you're an Indian girl, don't put a picture of a blonde American woman doing something that you want to do, because you cannot picture yourself in that position. Also add specific pictures. It should not just be like a bunch of aesthetic stuff that doesn't solve the purpose of anything. Every little specific thing you want to try to put on this. For example, you want to buy a bunch of new clothes, you want to get a new iPhone, you want to get like 100 on 100 in your board exams, you want to get into your dream college. You put up pictures of these specific things that you can look at every single day. It will not only help you in manifestation, if you believe in that, because I do, but it will also motivate you to work towards these things. Okay, I have to jaldi se pack my bag because we are getting extremely late. हमें बाहर जाना है to do some work and also to exchange my clothes.
Now the older I get, the more I reminisce. I want it sincerely, so I'm still daydreaming. I see it so clearly. If you're out.
Hi guys, we got scammed by a lawyer. Anyways, we are at Bagh Bakri Cafe and we're having chai. And I'm with my parents. Finally done. I hope this gave you some inspiration on what to do for your college prep or school prep or anything. Like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Avashimish and Avashi's Coffee Shop, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!